All right, so welcome to Jack's webinar. Today is till June 17th, right? It's been a very good week for the last week because I actually used this structure, capture the gold smooth for about 300 pips, okay? And we captured the sterling smooth also for about 200 pips, okay? And we capture a very nice S&P short, okay? You remember from last webinar, right? I said we can short the S&P from 3 to 20, and it did give us this very nice double top, okay, and all the way it goes down, okay. So a lot of good trade for the last week, and let's discuss what are the trade setups for today, okay, for this week. Okay, so first of all, let's go for the gold. Okay, the gold already pulled back. Okay, it formed this leg, and now it's coming back to the 618 level, and we find good price action here. Okay, so from this we can tell the 1715 is a very nice support, right? Do you agree? For today, okay, because today the price dropped back from 1729 all the way to 1715 just 4 hours ago, but it failed to break new low and it starts to sideways and just rallied, okay, from these two candles. Hello, Hera. Thank you. Okay, so what we're going to do is we want to use this pivot. Okay, we want to capture a pullback and go for another rally. And let's discuss. Let's find out this. What's this price actions? What are these price actions? Can you identify it? Can you? What's this? Yes, very good. It's inside the bar, right? Okay, good. So immediately, okay, when you find a potential inside the bar, immediately you should go to capture the highs and lows of the mother bar. And okay, tell yourself 1725.42 and 1722.53 is your shorting area. Okay, it's like when you want to pull your trigger. Okay, this is your when you want to pull the trigger. So if we find an inside the bar breaks up, okay, in the next 1 hour, what can you do? If you find an inside the bar breaks up, yes, you're right, Jacob. You are saying this is too wide, right? Yeah. Yeah, it is wide. Okay, so what you can do is you can go for smaller time frame to find another pattern. All right, let me just show you. So this could be a very nice inside bar. Okay, so get ready for this inside bar break up. Okay, to take your buy here, stop loss below the low, and aim for at least 1 to 1 or 2 to 1. Okay, yeah, you can do this. And let's go to 30-minute charts. So as just Michelle said, right? He said this inside bar breaks up is too wide in 1 hour chart of here, okay? Because your stop loss could be almost $7, right? If you think this is too wide, what you can do, go for smaller time frame, 30-minute charts. What do you have here? You have this inside the bar, okay? So this is a very interesting part. Right? You can trade this inside bar breaks up, and this could give you a very nice reward and risk ratio. Okay? And this is how the professional trader took the trade. Okay? Inside the bar, breaks up, go. Okay, pull your trigger. 1 to 1, close half. Okay, leave another half for another risk-free trade. And now you have already 2 to 1. Is it much better, right? Yeah. Okay, so this is how we do. Okay, and for 4-hour chart, pay attention to this trend line, because this is actually a downtrend line, correct? It actually keeps rejecting the gold, okay, for many times. And on the bottom side, there's this upside trend trend line. Okay, so the lows is getting higher, Okay, a pink bar here. The high is getting lower. What is this? What's this? Anyone? Yes, this is a triangle, or this you can consider this as a consolidation, right? Is this a consolidation? Squeezing. Okay, so I want you guys to pay attention to this squeezing pattern, because after this pattern, okay, price may have a trending market. Thank you. Okay, after the squeeze, because within the squeezing part, the volatility or the high and the up and downs is getting lower and lower, correct? Lower and lower. The room is getting smaller and smaller. It's harder for you to trade, either for the buy or for the sell. But after the breakup or breakdown, it will opens very good room for you to capture another wave of rally or drop. Okay. So get ready to buy the breakout of this downtrend line, all right? And important thing is you have to use the structure to give you a double confirmation. So this could be 1732. Okay, now let's mark this 1732. Okay, you can set an alert in trading view. Let me just show you. All right, create alert. Okay, gold crossing, no, it's crossing up. Okay, value is 1732. Okay, only once. Okay, open-ended. Okay, open-ended. Okay, and notify on your app, pop-up, send an email, whatever. Okay, calling. Wow, trading view can even give you calling. 3 notes reverse alarm clock, beep beep. Okay, never mind. Create. Let's just create. Okay, so I want trading view to alert me when the price breaks up 1732 so that I won't miss the trade. Okay, and when this alert was triggered, you quickly go for your charts or your MT4 and try to find what kind of pattern. So my question is, okay, when breakout occurred, what's your action? Buy directly, or you can wait for the price to break out, pull back, and then you go. Is it better? Okay. What kind of price action you're looking for? A firm green candle. You have to wait for a firm green candle, followed by a small red candle, right? Possibly. Okay. And better, it can give you a wick facing down. Okay. Looking for something like this when the breakout happen, and then you go from the third candle. Wow, boom, that's a huge move. Okay. Okay, so now you already have the patterns that you're looking for after the price break 1732, and go for it. If the market really give you this pattern, don't miss it. Okay, pull your trigger, because that's all you need to do. You have already know what is the plan, and you know where or when you will trigger your plan. Okay, so give me a promise. Okay, if you find the gold break 1732 and go for look this kind of pattern, right? Green big candle, small red candle with a wick face down. All right. Sometimes it's inside the bar, sometimes it's not. It doesn't matter as long as it's a good breakout. And you buy from the pullback. You buy from the third candle. Okay. Are you ready for this? I've already explained so clear. Okay, so if you understand this logic, okay, get ready for this trade. It will give you a lot of money, a lot of reward, because this is a long-term squeezing. Will give you a very good trending market. Okay, so break up, pull back, buy. Break down, pull back, sell. Either way, it will give you a lot of money, a lot of reward. We'll try. No, shock. There's no try. We'll do. Okay. not try. You have to understand, okay, where is your entry? And because eventually after this pattern, right? Okay, you have to go to set up your trade. So what is and where is your entry, stop loss, and target? You have to answer these questions. And how much money, how much reward or risk ratio you're going to put. Okay, should I risk more than $200 or $300, right? 2% rule. Okay, apply every time. Okay, when you have some thought or some plans, you want to buy the breakout. Okay, you want to buy the pullback, you want to buy the inside the bar breakout. Okay, and it will always come to this part. Where's your entry? Where's your stop loss? And where's your target? And how much money you're going to lose. All right. So I hope not only Shok understand this. How about everybody? Are we clear? Okay, so this could be a five-star trade for this week, because when gold breaks 1732, right, it will 99% chance will just fly. It may fly. Okay, and don't miss this trade. All right, good. Let's go for another trade. Let's go for oil. Right, oil, we have already touched 40, and then congratulations, okay, for those people who buy the oil all the way with me from 12 or from 11. All right, we already made a 3,000 pips move. Okay, and then the oil goes down, and it actually touched this structure here. Okay, this is a previous resistance breakout, become support, and followed by a harmonic patterns here, right? Followed by a bad pattern, and by one touch, two touch, fail to break new low, and then you go for it. And now you capture another wave of buy here. And just get ready when the oil to touch the previous selling again, and you may find a chance to short. Okay, because right now the oil is sideways market, it's sideways. Okay, you want to buy the low, or you want to sell the high. Either way is doable. Okay, buy the low from 34.33 or sell the high from 40. Okay, find good price action such as pin bar. Okay, this is all you need to do. Find some price action for you before you want to pull your trigger. Okay, you have to wait for the price to give you some confirmation, and then you go for the trade and go to lower time frame. Okay, to find it. Okay, it's just same as last time. Okay, here, because this is a very clear a double top. Okay, okay. Say for example, you want to sell from 40, right? You better wait for the double top, and then you mark their neckline. Okay, and then you go for it, and then you make some money. Okay, you make some money here, you make some money here, and you can sell it again. Use the 2618 trade. You can sell the 618 here. Boom. Okay, and you get another wave down. So here is how we manage to short or find the trades. Okay, probably okay before the market moves. You have to find those good entry points. Okay, use the structure, use the double top, use the neckline, use the 618, use whatever tools you have. Okay, to create a trading plan. And first of all, you have to identify this pattern. Okay, so we can do this again. Okay, just identify the pattern. When oil trying to test 40 again, and you check whether it can give you a double top, break neckline, okay, pulls back, you go for it. Are we clear? So out of 100 times, we're going to do this 100 times, okay? Every time we're going to find this kind of reversal pattern when the price coming to a huge resistance, or you're going to find a reversal pattern such as double bottoms, okay? Here at a very strong support, okay? Go for this pattern and go for the price actions, go for the pin bars, inside bars, or engulfing candles. Are we clear? So oil this week 34 to 40, okay, trying to buy the low, sell the high, and right now it actually forms this. What is this? Guys, can you tell me what is this? It's actually a bull flag. Okay, it's actually a bull flag. Okay, so you can wait. You can wait for the oil to break 38.72. You use this as your reference. Okay, so our plan is, okay, when oil break 38.72, it confirmed break the triangle, confirmed break the flag. Okay, pull back, go for it, aim 40. Is that clear? Okay, give me 5 if you're clear. Okay, so train your eyes to find those applicable patterns for you. Okay, the pattern has to suit for the trend, has to suit for the location. Okay, you have to respect the previous major support or major resistance. Okay, and find good price actions. Okay, before you make your decisions. And then trading will become so easy for you guys, because every time you know exactly what are you going to do, and you will not be afraid of a losing trade. Let me repeat again. Okay, our job, okay, trader's job, okay, is to put your risk, okay, to those trade, okay, which can give you good reward. This is trader's job. Our main job is to put our risk to this trade, which can give you good reward. If you think, wow, yeah, this is double top, this is neckline breakout, okay, this is triangle, this is a flag, I'm willing to give this kind of risk to capture this upside move. And if you make this decision, then your trade is 100% doable. You'll have no problem of execute the trades. Okay. And our confidence comes from here. Okay. Confidence is never built, okay, or it's never be 100% correct. Okay, but not afraid of failure. If you ask me, hey Jack, if you short the oil from the double top, okay, will you be afraid whether you hit your stop loss? Guess what is my answer? What if it forms a double top, right? And it just the bulls is just very tricky. They hit your stop loss, then goes down. What if the price gives you another directions, not in your favor? My answer is, well, if my stop loss was touched, something's wrong. It has not be my patterns at that time, right? Because my pattern is when double top created, I believe the price will not give a new high. If a new high was created, then I don't want to short anymore, and I have to accept the failure. But the failure will be only 2% of my capital, which is okay, which is predetermined, preset as 2%. I'm not worried about it at all. Okay, so that is how traders think before they pull their trigger, because every trade was designed in this way. Okay, we are willing to put our risk to this trade for a good reward, at least 2 to 1. Okay, and this will be applied in every single trade in your trading career. Are we okay for this? Okay, because trading is really not a game of, to always become right. It's hard for you to guess when the market will goes up or when the market will goes down. That's not important. We don't guess the market, but we trade the market. If it goes up, okay, give me a pullback, I will buy, and I will become a winner. Okay, if the market gives me a downside move, okay, and I will trade the pullback to sell. And if this trade is worth trying or worth trading, okay, for example here, okay, if my reward is greater than 221, I will go for it. All right. Okay, seems shocked, understand this meaning. Very good, congratulations. Any other questions? All right, because my webinar is not designed to just give you guys trade or give you guys some signal, right? Now, that's not my purpose. Okay, I want to give you guys a good brain, a good logical thinking way of thinking, right? Cool. All right, so oil down for it. Okay, euro. Let's go for euro. Euro has some problem here because euro is trying to form a double top. Okay, so we have to observe this very clear. Okay, whether the sellers can successfully break down 1.1185. Okay, so mark this level 1.1185. You can create an alert again. Okay, so break 1.1185. Let's find some pullback to sell, and all the way aim 1.10, previous structure here, and this is what you can get for the profit. And in another scenario, if it fails to break new low and it starts to rally, right? What can you do? What can you do? If it failed to break 1.1185, no sound for 3 minutes. All right, sure. Are we okay? Okay. All right, let me repeat. If the euro plan B, okay, plan B or plan A, euro break 1.185. Huh? You heard a lady speaking? Really? Hello, hello. Maybe you want to re-enter? Lag? Hello? It's working. Not sure. Anyone? Hello, hello. Test. Test. 97 people comes. Okay. Yeah, I think the Zoom just lost connections just now. Okay, never mind. Let's start again. Okay, plan A, when the euro breaks 1.1185, okay, capture the breakout and pullback sell. Plan A, plan B. Plan B, if price make bullish price action around 1.185, okay, go for a buy setup. This is plan B. Now, head and shoulder will only apply when the neckline was broken. If the neckline cannot be broken, it's not a head and shoulder, it's still a sideways market. Okay. So if you find a candlestick like this, Okay, then you can go for a buy. Okay, freezing again. I think that's very bad. Hello, hello. Hmm. Really? It's lag? Yeah. No worry because I have just restarted the audio and the video. It's not a problem. Let me try to find it. Last word head and shoulder only apply. Okay. You sure? Oh yeah. It's network problem. Hello, hello, test, test, test. Too many people come to the roof crash. Maybe. Okay, are we back? Because I have restart sharing the window. Are okay. Yeah, it's 100 people already. Not yet. Short Zoom. James, you're so funny. Count. Okay. Um. How about this? How about this? Cannot see. Okay. Can you see this? It's going black. Oh my god. I have changed the use a whiteboard to share black screen. Okay, black screen. Maybe I should restart the meeting. Hello, 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 hello. Oh, this is Thai. Okay, hi, ball. Yeah, sing a song when we wait. All right, sure. Wow, there are very few English songs I can sing. Maybe I can only sing. Um, what's the name of the song? Yeah, I remember. It's a Whitney Houston song. Name is One Moment in Time. Yeah. One moment in time. Okay. Yeah, that sounds good. Okay. If I okay, James. Give do me a favor. Okay. I will choose you as a meeting manager. Okay, and I'm going to restart my Zoom. So when I reconnected, you just give me back the console, right? Thank you. Let me just put James as my. Strange, you know. Okay.